Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, recently I was doing some work on the seats and I realized that I had no idea how to remove the headrest. All the years I've owned it, never had need to do it, so didn't know how. But I figured it out. For those of you who have need to remove it, don't know how, here's how it works. So with most cars, you lift the headrest, you press the button or buttons on the side, and you just pull. But not the case with the 2013 Mazda 6. So if you look at the far side of the headrest, you will see a little hole. Take a sharp object and push, simultaneously pushing on the other button, and up it comes. Now obviously I'd have to move back the back of the seat to get this completely out, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, that should be sufficient, and off she comes. Okay, to replace. Okay, and push the button on the side and down. Alright guys, that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys soon.